Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Designing Robust and Scalable AI Systems. Imagine building a house. A robust house can withstand storms and earthquakes. A robust AI system can handle unexpected inputs and still work correctly. For example, it shouldn't crash if someone types in gibberish or uses unexpected data. Think of a small bakery that can only bake a few loaves of bread a day. A scalable bakery can expand to bake thousands. A scalable AI system can handle a growing amount of data and user requests without slowing down or breaking. This often involves using multiple computers working together. AI systems learn from data, like a student learns from books. More data usually means a better AI, but too much messy data can be harmful. We need to clean and prepare our data like a chef prepares ingredients. Not all AI systems are created equal. Choosing the right model is like picking the right tool for a job. A hammer is good for nails, not screws. Similarly, different AI models are suited to different tasks. Before launching your AI, you need to thoroughly test it like a software engineer testing an app. This involves giving it various inputs and checking if it gives the correct outputs. This helps find and fix bugs. Even after launching, your AI needs ongoing monitoring. It's like maintaining a car. Regular checkups and updates are essential to keep it performing optimally. This includes tracking its performance and making adjustments as needed. Getting your AI system to work in the real world requires careful planning. This is like setting up the store for your bakery. You need the right equipment and space to handle customer orders effectively. Think cloud computing and servers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.